Christmas is a strange one in the house because the first time Hannah was ill, we were admitted from the end of November to the 24th of December, so we managed to have our Christmas day at home together. The Welsh Blood Service now send you text messages to alert you when your donation's been used. A few days before Christmas, I've been and done my regular platelet donation. On Christmas Day, my phone goes off and I get a message from the Welsh Blood Service to say my platelet donation's been used, it's been sent off to the hospital, and it was just such a feel-good moment. It was just nice knowing that my platelet donation had gone to someone on Christmas Day. For the donors that donated and made a difference to our family, I'm eternally grateful. That small, selfless act that you do going to do your donation, it makes a massive difference to our lives. Thank you.